Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Sunday, 10th day of November 2024. As of today, I really want to know if in your area that people can go to farm freely without vigilante, without security agencies like the soldiers and the police. Dangerous things are happening in Nigeria, and for people who think that I hate Nigerian state, and that is why I bring negative news, I want to let you know that news is a news. News has nothing to do whether negative or positive, as far as what you are reporting is true. Now, let me ask you, how many of you have seen this kind of video or this kind of report in your mainstream media? In my own village, people can't go to farm without vigilante. In so many parts of the country, as you are seeing on the screen, you see how soldiers, look at how many soldiers guiding few people who are farming there. It's not up to 5 people that are planting there or harvesting or they are weeding, but look at how many soldiers that are guiding them. Now, a lot of people do write to me on WhatsApp group and so on and so forth, talking about the issue of Nigeria, saying, why can't we fight and keep this Nigeria one? Wait, is it not a country that wants to remain one, you will keep one? How can you fight to keep a country that does not want to be one? A country where terrorists have taken over the whole farm, and the soldiers will not take it as a matter of urgency or importance. The police will not even bother about it. But anytime you say you want to protest, they will deploy the military against you. That is to tell you that the country don't want to become one. Now, before we go deep into this, I want to let you know that Nigerian police confirm arrest, secret arraignment of woman who lamented killings by bandits in Sokoto, claim she was inciting women against the government. You know what that means? There was a woman, she's an influential woman, and she was giving women empowerment, and she was also complaining about the killings in Sokoto State. And police now turn around, the community people turn around and said that she wants to incite those women against the government. You see where the problem comes? Even if I am bringing news like this, people will think that I'm inciting people against the government. That is not the truth. That is not the truth, because in the real sense, this has nothing to do with inciting government against the people. It's all about saying the truth. How can we continue to live in falsehoods that you cannot even speak the truth? You cannot even talk about what is going on with you. You can't talk about what is going on in your village. Yesterday, people were coming from marriage. They killed the bride, they killed the groom, they shot the driver. They were just coming back from marriage. They were passing, at a spot where kidnappers always kidnap people. And the driver did not notice on time that the kidnappers were stopping him, and they just shot at him. The other day in my village, people who were kidnapped, they asked them to go and bring ransom and food, and they alerted the vigilante in our community. That was how vigilante now came and, fight them. And vigilante killed about 3 terrorists. I call them kidnappers. And these kidnappers are also Bororo Fulanis. How can one set of people be doing all these things in all parts of the country, and you think it's a normal thing? These people, you will find out that they are not Nigerians. Then what is the matter? And people are thinking that if you talk all these things, that you are bringing, hatred against the country. We don't have country anymore. Now, let's see what Shara Reporters is saying about this. The article was written on November 9, 2024. And look at what it says, that the police command in Sokoto State has confirmed the arrest and jailing of a woman in Sokoto State, Hamdiyya Sidi. Shara Reporters had exclusively reported how Sidi was arrested for embarrassing Sokoto State Governor Ahmad Aliyu on social media. She was subsequently arraigned secretly on Monday without having access to a lawyer nor family member, a source had said. The woman had in a video lamented the security in the state and demanded an end to the incessant killing by bandits. Out of context. Now let me explain something. The crime of this woman is that in a video, she was calling out the governor, calling out politicians, saying people are dying anyhow. What is going on? Why can't you people swing into action and protect the citizens? That is the primary duty, primary responsibility of every government, to protect the lives and property of the people. That is the crime of this lady. You don't dare to criticize government in a viral video. They said you are instigating people against the government. So they want everybody to keep quiet while people are dying. And that is why Mr. Kunde Onawumi will always say that, see, the information he has, that people in government, the governors, the senators in presidency, are the one who are sponsoring the killing. Look at, they stripe her fundamental human right by denying her lawyer, by trying her secretly. And people want you to continue to fight for this country. And let me tell you, there is no one that will save you unless you save yourself. Now, the article continues. She revealed how gunmen took over villages without any restraint and added that displaced women seeking refuge in the state capital are now being sexually exploited due to abject poverty and squalor. I hope you understand the kind of thing that this lady is trying to agitate for. That government took so many villages. I reported that last week, right? Government took so many villages in Sokoto State and displaced a lot of women. And these women that were displaced, no help from the government at all. And these ladies are being exploited sexually in the town. That is what this lady was reporting, was agitating for. And government see it as, this is a taboo. Who are you? Who are you to say this? Who are you to report about this? Now, the article continues. Sokoto is one of the states in the northern region plagued by the bandits who raid and loot villages, kill residents and burn houses in the ground. I hope the world understands what is going on in Nigeria. When you hear bandits, it connotes terrorists. It connotes all this Akida, Boko Haram, they call them bandits in Nigeria, for your own information. The article continues. In a statement on Friday night, Sokoto Police Command spokesperson Ahmad Rufai said Sidi was arrested and prosecuted for inciting unrest in the state. How does saying what is the truth becomes inciting violence? You see, they hate to see activists. They hate to see people who speak the truth. If they see us, they are ready to kill us. They don't mind. Even as I'm bringing this news to you, if they see me, they will be ready to kill me. So imagine that is the crime of this lady. They said she is inciting unrest because she is saying, look at the people, terrorists killed them. It is your duty to protect them. You did not protect them. And they are exploiting them sexually. You people are keeping quiet. They said, no, you don't have right to say that. You've got to be in jail for saying that. And people said that people should not agitate for this country to separate. We are joking. Now, the article continues. It says, the statement reads, the attention of the Nigerian Police Force Sokoto Command has been drawn to the ongoing falsehood and misinformation circulated by Gistoko Media and other social media handles on purported story that the Nigerian Police Sokoto Command secretly arrested and arraigned a woman who lamented on the recent rise in killing in Sokoto State for embarrassing Governor Nnamdi Sokoto. You see why I hate sometimes Nigerian police is that they always work in alignment with the politicians. They do what they ask them to do. So police automatically is denying what they have done, not what they are doing or what they want to do. The deed has been done, and they are now denying it. Now, the thing continues. It says, we wish to make the record straight. On the 3rd of November 2024 at 5 o'clock, one Marafa Yakubu and the village head of Sabobiri Daji village in the Warno local government area reported to the police that a woman later identified as one Hamdiyya Sidi F of Makodi village in a Warno local government area came to the village and deceived him that she is a member of the community representing a charitable organization meant to assist women and youth, that she wanted to address women and women, okay, and distribute relief items to the less privileged in the society. To the greatest dismay, while she was addressing the woman, she noticed that rather than distributing the relief item, as she claimed, she was inciting the women against the government by telling them to forcefully take over the government properties in Wamako local government area of Sokoto State, stating that it belongs to them, noticing the tension in the community as a result of her incitement. He quickly alerted the community guard who arrested her and handed her over to the police. During interrogation, the suspect confessed to the offense and was charged to court within 24 hours for the offense of inciting disturbance. Now, let me stop here. What the lady was doing is like an act of telling people, let's go and protest. Let's go to government office and protest. The government offices belongs to the people. Let us go and protest because of all this killing and all those things. So the village head is saying, oh, I am representing the government. They are paying me to monitor all these things. You said you want to distribute food item. Food item is here. You did not distribute it and you are telling them this. You are not supposed to tell them that let us go and protest. You are not supposed to tell them, let us go and do this and let us go and do that. So that is what actually happened, according to the story I received and the report from these Sahara reporters. when you see all these things going on, do you still have faith that you will leave your children a country that they themselves dream of? Because you yourself, you know, you don't even have a country that you dream of. If you have visa to go to South Africa, Ghana, all these poor countries, you will run to that place because you don't have a life in Nigeria. So that is what is going on. And amidst all these things, you can see the videos how all these terrorists are taking over the farm. I am a witness. It's affecting me. In my village, they have taken over. So it's not because I'm showing you what is happening. It is affecting me directly. And people don't want you to speak forth about it. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Shout out.